I think somewhere there he decided कि अगर मैं इसको फिर से कास्ट करूँगा तो इसके बाल नहीं होंगे. So when we met for Heather, the first thing he said, वो सब तो ठीक है, character वाइटर बाद में discuss करेंगे, but you have to go bald for this film. Well, it's the most difficult role that I have done in my career, I would say. Definitely a very, very intense character, and actually I went bald for just one day of shooting, and it's something that because this is that kind of film, you know, there are some films that actors do for box office numbers or for, you know, stuff like that. And certain films you do because they are films which you make from your heart. So this is cinema of passion. It required me to take my hair off and I went for it, man. Obviously, in fact, I had been chasing Vishal sir for almost 3 years, saying that, you know, he needs to cast me in a film. Because he's surrounded by too many phenomenal actors. To begin with my father, Irfan Khan, Tabu, KK, and Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah. The list is endless. So I was very insecure that he'll keep working without me. So I used to keep going and meeting him. And then he finally told me that there was this one role which he thought may be right for me, and that was he wanted to make his third adaptation of Shakespeare, which was Hamlet. And that's how that started. And I told him, sir, regardless of anything, I'm on. And that's when he started writing the film, and everything happened after that.
For me, to get an opportunity to work with Vishal sir, and for him to give me such a role, the adaptation of Ophelia, Arshia in Heather, and definitely to work with Shahid here as well, and the whole cast in the film. So just the opportunity has been so amazing, and he is amazing to work with, and he's a lot of fun. And I've seen his mad side also. So it's a combination of to be able to learn from him also and have fun with him also. So it's a good deadly combo.